How to pick the sweetest watermelon every time you buy. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please click subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. It isn't summer until you've had your first watermelon of the season. Chances are though, it's been about a year since you've bought your last watermelon. Do you remember how to pick out a good one? Many people have no idea how to select a watermelon. They just knock on this oversized fruit as if they know what they are doing. Although it can be difficult to know how ripe the interior is just by inspecting the outside, there are several clever tricks you can learn to help you pick the perfect watermelon. 1. Lift a few. The watermelon should be heavy for its size, as this indicates that it is full of water and therefore nice and ripe. Try comparing the weight of your watermelon with another of equal size. The heavier one will be the riper. This advice goes for most fruits and vegetables. 2. Look for the field spot. The underside of the watermelon should have a creamy yellow spot, known as the field spot. This is where the melon sat on the ground and ripened in the sun, so the darker it is the better. This one is no wise tale. If the field spot is white, or even non-existent, this probably means that the watermelon was picked too soon, and will not be ripe. 3. Inspect the color. A perfect, ripe watermelon should be dark green in color and dull in appearance, rather than shiny. A shiny watermelon will usually be underripe. 4. Say no to stem. If the melon still has a stem on it, move along. This means the melon didn't come off the vine easily, so it wasn't quite ripe. You could look for a melon with a slightly indented end. This indicates that the melon came off the vine on its own. 5. What about knocking? Knocking is pointless, however, you can hold the watermelon like you're cradling a baby and give it a good thwap. You'll feel the vibrations in your bottom hand if the watermelon is right. 6. What about selecting a pre-cut melon? If you're purchasing pre-cut watermelon, there are also certain things to look out for. Choose pieces with bright red flesh and dark brown or black seeds. Avoid pieces with white streaks and an abundance of white seeds. You should also steer clear if the flesh looks dried out or mealy, or is separating from the seeds. Now, what about you? Do you have any tricks to pick a perfect watermelon? Please share it in the comments below. If you enjoy watching this video, share it with your friends. If you want to hear more helpful videos, click subscribe and hit the bell icon to notify you of our new uploads.